Alright, y'all, super mechanics and detailing on this 2009 F-150. Yeah, part 2. But anyways, I got all the bolts out, got everything undone. Man, that bolt in the middle to get it out right here. Oh my, it was tough. Yeah, here's the old one, as you can see. Got that out. You want to examine this? You can see where, yeah, that was the problem right there. It snapped. That buddy snapped right there. But yeah, here's the new one. I'm finna install it. Yes, this is what we do. We love to get our hands dirty. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it was old, rusty, ready. It was ready for a new one. It's gonna be sitting nice out there. I'm done. Probably need some more work on the suspension. But yeah, this is how we do it, man. Super mechanics and detailing. Get the details. You gotta get the details, man. All the details. All the details. Yes, sir. And then I had to grind off that tire rod to get it loose. Yeah, because it was seized up too, so that what made, you know, that would slowed us down a little bit. But other than that, everything else is done. You know, always keep your bolts where you need them in order. That bolt, big one, it's gonna be a 30 to get those, yeah, to get the big nut out, which is right here. This is, yeah, this is it. Yeah. This is not a 30 right here, but the other side is a 30. This is a 30 on the other side. So basically like this. That's gonna be your 30 right here. And then I use this 1 1/16 on here, and it worked. Luckily I have that. I just bought that. I was gonna take it back, but this dude was like, oh, you might as well keep it. And I kept it, and look what happened. Magic. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to get back to it. Install this. And I'm gonna probably get back with y'all because I need both of my hands. So yeah, I know what I'll do. I'm gonna see y'all in a moment though. Part 3. Other side. Let's go, let's get it. Yes, sir. Yeah, I just bought this new grinder too. Yeah, I had to. Cause I'm like, dude, I can't deal with this. I spent about 30 to 45 minutes on that bolt. You know, I just was like, forget it, you know. Let me go just get this done. It's a nice day. Nice day out here. You know what I'm saying? Nice day. But yeah, anyways, gotta get back to it.